The estimated cost of landing premium motor spirit, commonly known as petrol, on Nigeria's shores has seen a considerable reduction of 20.34%, dropping to 971.57 per litre over the past 3 months. This decline in landing costs, which reflect the price of importing and distributing the product, indicates some relief in terms of global market fluctuations and supply chain factors. Recall that the retail price of petrol in Nigeria sharply increased by 443 naira or 71.79% from 617 naira per litre on August 1, 2024 to 1060 naira per litre by November 8, 2024, according to data released by Major Energies Marketers Association in its Competency Center Daily Energy Bulletin in November. With an estimated landing cost of 971.57 naira, Brent crude price benchmark of $75.57 per barrel, and an exchange rate of 1,665.84 naira per dollar. The product currently sells at 1,060 naira at the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited retail station and 1,180 naira at stations owned by independent marketers. The document also showed that the landing cost stood at 945.63 naira in September 2024 and 903.64 naira per litre in October 2024. This increase, despite falling landing costs, can be attributed to factors such as the ongoing deregulation of fuel markets, fluctuations in the exchange rates, rising inflation, and the broader economic challenges facing the country. Punch reports that experts say they expect the reduction would lead to a corresponding drop in the retail price of petrol. On Sunday, the Nigerian Labour Congress accused fuel marketers of inflating petrol prices, claiming the pump price is significantly higher than the actual market value. The NLC, in a communique released following its National Executive Council meeting, contended that Nigerians are being exploited, with citizens enduring heightened suffering and hunger due to government policies that are pushing many into destitution. The organization call underscores its growing concerns over the economic strain on Nigerians and its commitment to holding both fuel marketers and the government accountable for citizens' welfare. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.